Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a paying client base with Indeed, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by creating an Indeed account. Visit the Indeed website and click on the Sign Up button. Fill in the required information, including your email address and a strong password. Once registered, verify your email to activate your account. Next, complete your profile with relevant details about your service offerings. Include a professional photo and a compelling bio that highlights your skills and experience. Now, navigate to the Jobs section on Indeed. Use the search bar to enter keywords related to your services or target industry. Filter the search results by location, job type, and date posted to find the most relevant opportunities. Select the jobs that align with your expertise and could lead to potential clients. For each relevant job listing, prepare a tailored application. Include your resume, cover letter, and any relevant work samples or portfolio pieces. Be sure to highlight how your skills can address the specific needs of the potential client. Submit your application through Indeed's platform and keep track of the jobs you've applied for. Follow up on your applications after a week if you haven't heard back. Use Indeed's messaging feature to reach out to employers who seem interested. Engage in professional networking by connecting with other freelancers or service providers on Indeed. Participate in discussions or forums available on the platform to increase your visibility. Gather reviews or testimonials from any previous clients to showcase your credibility. Enhance your profile by adding these endorsements, making it more appealing to potential clients. Monitor the job listings regularly to ensure you apply to new opportunities promptly. Consider setting up job alerts for relevant keywords so that you don't miss out. Once you start landing jobs, focus on building strong relationships with your clients. Communicate clearly and deliver high-quality work to earn positive referrals. Leverage satisfied clients by asking for testimonials or asking if they know others who could benefit from your services. Continue to update your Indeed profile as you gain more experience and acquire new skills. Keep your portfolio current to showcase your best work to potential clients. As your client base grows, consider creating packages or services that can cater to different client needs. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.